So, Namaskar, all of you. This is our second class for the open batches, which will be starting from October 1. Actually, different batches are starting from October 1. So, in the first orientation classes, I told you some of the details what you have to do before joining the classes. Okay, I'll just tell you something more, especially the testing platform for the open classes. Okay, testing platform for the open classes, right? So, let us start. So the date of starting of the open batch, that is October 1, and the target is UPSC 2021 and the PSCs of 2021. Okay, those of you who are giving the exams, and those of you who plan to give it beyond that 2022-23 also, you can join it. Okay, so let me first come to the various batches. Okay, first batch. So let me first finish the different paid batches first, then I will go to the open batch. So we are having three types of batches. First one is your traditional classroom batches. So classroom batches basically at Bhubaneswar and Cuttack in Odisha. Okay, and as per the directives of the state government of Odisha, mostly we expect that the classes will open from November 1, 2020, depending on the government guidelines. And even if we are opening the classes, there will be strict, COVID restrictions as will be given by the government. For example, normally we used to have 20 to 30 students in our class. Now at least it will be halved, like there will be 15 students per batch. So accordingly, those who are interested for the classroom batch, you can, okay, November 1 will be the mostly will be, unless the government again shifts it, state government again shifts it. Okay, so November 1 will be there and limited seats will be there. So those who are interested for that, you can contact the number which is being scrolled. You can call and you can book your seats, right? Next, second is the online paid classes. Okay, so online paid classes, I'll show you the playlists, etc. So you can, join them, and it is mostly the same thing like classroom batch, only the course fee is half. Okay, for course fee details and all, please see the first video. Detailed course fee, etc. is given in the first, that is orientation video. So I'll not be repeating the course fee, etc. Okay, so online paid batches, same thing, same study material, everything like the classroom, but course fee is half and you get the videos on particular Sundays. You can clear your doubts by coming to the Bhubaneswar Center. Okay, and 24/7 doubt clearance through WhatsApp. Okay, so that is starting next batch, that is starting from October 1, 2020. So for details of course fee, you see the first video, orientation video. Okay, and the third one, for which mainly, I am concentrating on this video, that is the open batches. That means in a sense you can say that there are no charges. Okay, open online batches. Okay, for your UPSC and state civil services, that is also starting from October 1. But before that, you need to familiarize yourself with the test platform and those things. That is why this video, okay, is there. So let us come to, so in this video I'll be concentrating only on this part. Okay, that is the open online classes or free online classes. What is the difference between these three courses? In the first video, orientation video, detailedly I have told you. You can go through that video. If you have any doubts, you may call the number given, or you may WhatsApp me in the number which is given. Okay, so first, initially what we will be doing, because it will be integrated batch. Okay, we will be completing both your prelims and mains syllabus together. It is integrated approach. please refer to the video number 1 where I have told you the steps which we will follow. So the first thing would be the theory video. Okay, what material is to be followed? We will be following textbooks only. I'll tell you what textbooks. So it is expected that you have the textbooks. Okay, most preferably the hard copies. Okay, so once we start, that is, I'll tell you at the end of this video, we are starting with polity and we are starting with history. Okay, 2 subjects will be starting apart from the regular things like newspapers and current affairs, etc. Okay, so first we discuss the theory part. Okay, the video that you'll be having. Second, once it is finished, okay, then we go for the chapter test. Once we finish a chapter, we have the chapter test, both objective and subjective. Okay, so for the open batches, objective test we will be giving in the Telegram platform. So I'll just show you what is the Telegram platform. So Telegram, you have to install the Telegram app on your mobile or Telegram app on your PC or laptop, and then you go to Aarohan Classes channel. Okay, this is the Aarohan Classes channel. If you want the link, this is the Telegram link. Just search Aarohan Classes, or exactly if you want the link, it is t.me/Aarohan OS. Okay, so basically this you can, or if you just search Aarohan Classes in Telegram, you will find it. So you join that. Okay, and you will be getting tests like this. For example, you can see here. Okay, this is NCERT class 7 history, whatever. Okay, so see, you see at the beginning of the test. Okay, if nothing is written, that means it is an open test. For example, this test, it can be taken by anyone. You'll get the questions, you will get the answers. Okay, and you should have a decent internet connection for the test to work. Okay, so what we will be doing, some tests, both the question and answers you will find directly in the Telegram part. Okay, but then we have to discuss that also. Okay, so for example, in this test, if you want to start it, just click the external link and the test will start in the Telegram platform. Okay, how to give Telegram test and all, if you are new to you, just see the videos in YouTube, or you can go through Telegram documentation. Okay, so our tests will be held in the Telegram platform. What is the advantage? Like you can see here, there was some test, okay, a few days ago, and some people took the test. For example, 43 people took the test, and we will be giving, you'll get a rank list. Okay, obviously we can't give, you will get your rank, obviously that will be shown to you, but rank list will be for the first 20. Okay, first 20 students who have got the marks in that way. Got it? So that is the reason we are using Telegram platform for the quiz. Okay, and it will be chapter wise quiz. Got it? So that is objective. Then what to do with subjective? So in subjective, because once we end a chapter, we will have both objective and subjective tests. In subjective, what we will do, that you get a question set. Okay, you need to finish that in stipulated time. Then we have the discussion. That means what should be there in your answer, that we will be discussing, right? So some people have asked me, will it be only for GS or we will have some other optionals as well? So for the time being, in October, we are starting with GS. Okay, and as the time progresses, maybe from November, we can add optionals, 2 or 3 optionals we can add. What optionals you can expect? Geography, okay, public administration, and for state PSC, okay, state PSC means your Odisha Public Service Commission and other PSCs which have home science as your optional. Okay, so these 3 optionals you can expect in the open batches. Of course, in the paid online courses, around 12 to 13 optionals, 15 optionals are there that you can go through the demo video playlist on YouTube. Okay, so how you will get these videos? Again, you go to the Aarohan Classes channel on YouTube. Okay, so if you go to YouTube and you search Aarohan Classes, so you get this channel. Okay, so click on this channel, right? Aarohan Classes. Then you go to playlist. Under the playlist tab, so many playlists are there. You see one playlist is there, civil services open batches. Civil services open batches. Click that. That is your playlist. Whatever things will come, that is your open playlist, right? For the open batches. So now you get it. Okay, you see these are some of the old videos. You can skip it. You come to this particular video, open batch for UPSC PSC class 1 orientation, from there, and this is second class. Okay, so class will be numbered, class 1, class 2, class 3, in that way. Okay, so this is the general thing which you have to understand. Okay, so this is about your test. Yeah, regarding subjective test, I'll tell you what are the points what you should write. Okay, but it will not be possible to evaluate your sheets, right? So what you can do is you can match it with the model answer. Okay, you can match it with the model answer. So that is your chapter test. Once the chapter test is over, we'll continue that with previous year questions. Okay, both objective and subjective. Okay, from the UPSC questions, right? So this would be the approach for every chapter. And after the particular, so this would be like once a chapter is over, okay, because it will be done very thoroughly. So once a chapter is over, you'll have the chapter tests. Okay, then weekly and monthly tests also we can have. Once whatever has been taught in the week, we can have a test for that, and monthly we can have a test. And once a portion is completed, for example you complete history, then entire full syllabus test for history you can have. Okay, total duration of the course, pre and main, okay, if you see, so it is expected that we will complete it by April 2021. Okay, April 2021, so that you are ready for your prelims exam and all. Okay, so any doubts if you are facing, you can WhatsApp me 9437002210, or you can call the number which is given, which is ending with 99. Okay, that also you can call, right? Now coming to what we'll be starting with, as I told you, we will be starting with first history. Okay, so for history, if you study the old NCERTs, okay, that would be sufficient. Although if you see in the Telegram channel, from class 6 we are giving the tests and all. That is included, those who are joining for the classroom and the online paid courses. But anyway, you also have access to those open tests. So tests you can give, but history we will be doing from the old NCERT. Okay, all the 4 books, right? That is ancient, medieval, modern, and world history also. Some PSCs may not have the world history course, but again we are basically following the UPSC model, so I hope that it is a superset of your different PSC model. If you have any particular requirement, because see, different PSCs will have different requirement. Once I finish up the common course, okay, the UPSC syllabus, then I can ask you, like, particular thing is there in your state PSC, you can send it and we can make videos on that. Okay, but that is at the last. First we'll complete the common. So old NCERT, these books are both PDF, it is available, and also you can buy it if you want. Okay, it depends on you. So old NCERT you should have, either you have in soft copy or you have in hard copy. Okay, so ancient and medieval, it will take some time to complete. I'm first talking about ancient and medieval. Plus you can also follow, so I'm telling you the books which I will be following. So these 2 books, plus you have Ancient and Medieval Indian History by Poonam Dahiya Dalal. This is Tata McGraw-Hill book. You can buy the book, okay? Or if you think that only NCERT is fine, then, but I'll be following these 2 books, okay? So the notes that you will get, Okay, notes means the slides which I'll be giving you. The slides will be available in PDF format in the Telegram channel. Okay, so you can, if you want it as a note or something, you can get it, right? So that is the first subject which we'll be doing. Second subject, so I'm telling you beforehand because you should be ready by October 1. Okay. Second, we'll be doing polity and constitution. NCRT again, if you have time, if you are having a horizon preparation, horizon of like 2 years or more, or you have time with you, full-time preparation, then our constitution at work, that NCRT book you can follow. But if you do not follow it also, it's fine. We'll directly start from Lakshmikant. So it's a, it's kind of, everyone says that it's a Bible, right? So Lakshmikant, latest edition. Okay, both for the our Indian polity book and also the governance book. Okay, plus another book is also there. Like a lot of books are there, right? A lot of books are there. So Indian polity and governance. I will be adding content from Shukla also. Okay, VN Shukla. It depends on you if you want to study this book. Okay, but if you're not studying, also important content will be there in your slides. Okay, so this book, at least I hope those who are preparing seriously, you have this book. I think 6th edition is the latest edition. So buy this book, Indian Polity and Constitution and Governance. Okay, because we will be covering prelims and mains both. Got it? Right. So these are the two subjects we'll be starting. Okay, interchangeably, we will be doing that. Next, coming to current affairs. Serious preparation if you are doing, please do not follow any gist of this, that, whatever. Even whatever I will be presenting, okay, it's better you read your own newspaper, Hindu or Indian Express, not and. Hindu or Indian Express. If you read Hindu and Indian Express, it will take 6 hours initially. Okay, that kind of time I don't think it's required. Okay, important parts, lot of people are giving it, in a crisp manner. If you are comfortable with that, then see what is the advantage of reading the newspaper firsthand. It, in the first video also I've told you, it helps you building your critical reasoning or critical thinking. Okay, so that is important, that if you read, someone has already skimmed the newspaper for you and you directly are reading the gist. For SSC level exams or maybe for PSCs it is fine, but for UPSC certainly it is not fine. You have to read the Hindu firsthand. You have to read. Okay, it may take some time. So what I'll do from 1st of October, okay, I'll tell you what is the important part, right? Important part of the Hindu or important news in the Hindu and Indian Express, and I'll add one more local newspaper, okay, that is Odisha Post. This is mainly for Odisha news for those who are preparing for OPSC, etc. For them, Hindu, Indian Express, anyone will do. Okay, then many of you asked me about current affair magazine. See, you whatever magazine you like, you follow it. The content in all the magazine is same, only the presentation varies, and some people will like the presentation of one institution, some people will like the presentation of another institution. Okay, so no hard and fast rule that you have to study this or that. You see, many are there in the market for civil services mainly. If you see the top magazines, okay, so Insights is there, Vision is there, GS Score is there, Vajiram's Recitals is there. Okay, you see which one you like. You can get it, lot of sources are there to get it, so anything you like. Okay, so current, but I will not be doing those magazines, right? I'll not be doing those magazines. I'll be doing Hindu, Indian Express, and a local newspaper. Okay, plus PIB, Press Information Bureau. So that also you can get the gist. Okay, Kurukshetra, Yojana. Again, see, if you ask me, sir, do we have to study everything? No, you don't have to study everything, right? And another good magazine is EPW, Economic and Political Weekly. But let me tell you, you can't study everything. So what I'll be doing, I'll be giving you whatever is important, right? And everything is not important in all these magazines. Okay, Science Reporter is there. A lot of magazines are there. So what is important, you'll also get in open source. You'll also get many organizations are giving that. Okay, so those parts you can study. Your Rajya Sabha TV. Okay, so that you can also see, and All India Radio. Some of the recordings, some of the programs are really good. Okay, you'll get actual news, not any noise, right? So that, but again, it depends on the time you have. Okay, because in UPSC, most of the things which will come, except for a few subjects, that will be somehow related to current affairs, and in your answers you have to specify those things. Okay, it's not a static kind of thing. Maybe with some PSC exams where only direct question and static question comes, right? In UPSC, whatever you are studying, even if you are studying Harappan civilization, okay, when you are studying the important features, the town planning features, you have to relate it. What is there now? One example, let's say for example, the cesspits they have been doing from that age. Okay, and that is a very common feature in drainage, drainage designing nowadays, in urban drainage designing. So whatever you are studying, you link it with current affairs or link it with what has happened today. Okay, so that process will evolve, that thinking will evolve slowly. Okay, that you have to give some time, and always follow textbooks. Once you finish the basic text, then you can go for exam oriented books which are available in the market. So please follow the textbooks. um, you may be tempted to go for some coaching center material and all, right? uh, that is after you know the fundamentals. Okay, otherwise in UPSC it may be difficult. If you have the time, you go for the whole hog. NCRT standard 6 to 12th for geography, for history, okay, wherever required, for polity, okay, for economics mainly 11th 12th, okay, and for science 6 to 10th is sufficient. For ecology and environment 11th 12th, again whatever chapters related to ecology and environment, the NCRT thing. Again in the NCRT there is another, like list of NCRT books are available and those things are also there. Okay, now if you cannot go through the entire book, then that is the only option. If you have very limited time but still you want to do the NCRTs, so list of NCRT, many publications are there which give you the list of NCRT. You can use those. Okay, but first hand, be it NCRT, be it your newspapers, first hand study, that is more important. Okay, so this is what I expect the students who will be starting the open course from October 1 to be ready with. Okay, you take some of those Telegram tests now. Many tests are there, you see. You take some tests now to familiarize yourself with the Telegram, okay, tests. And suppose there will be some classroom test also in that. Suppose in a test it is written classroom test. Okay, so that will be accessible. I mean, in the sense that you will not have the questions there. Questions will be given to the classroom students, and only just for ranking, we will be having the test. Okay, where nothing is written, if it's not written classroom test, okay, that means it is open test. It is for everyone. Everyone can give that test. Got it? Any doubts, etc., you can ask me. So you familiarize yourself with these things, with the test platform especially. Okay, and next thing is you get these books before October 1 in case you do not have whatever medium you want. Some people may want ebooks, so most of these books are also available as ebooks. You can buy Kindle or something and you can download it from Amazon. You can buy it from Amazon and other sites, okay, as ebooks if you don't want the physical book. Okay, a lot of options are available. So anyway, we will meet. My next class will be on October 1. Okay, so I'll fix the timing. In the previous video I've already told you the timing. Okay, so we'll fix the timing again, right? And for doubts and all, you can always WhatsApp that number. Okay, so all the best for your preparation. You get ready with the basics. Okay, so as I told you that we will be doing previous year questions also. So again, if you want, you should have that previous year question chapter wise book. You see many publications are offering that. Disha publication is offering that, but and also New Vishal is offering that. But before buying, you can buy it at a local bookstore or from Amazon. You see that it is chapter wise. That is most important. Chapter wise for prelims, chapter wise for mains. Okay, because once we finish a chapter, we will solve that. It will take some time, fine, but that is the way to go. And once you finish the course, then we can have the tests and all. Tests will be going on, and in the same manner we will be having the open test series also once we finish up, okay, most part of the syllabus, right? So we'll meet on October 1. Any doubts, etc., you can WhatsApp. Some people had, those who are not familiar with Telegram, they were saying that this Telegram link is not opening. That is not a web link. It will not open on in your browser. You have to install Telegram app either on your mobile phone or on your PC or your desktop or whatever. Okay, your device should have the Telegram application. Then that Telegram link will open. Okay, so best wishes for your preparation. Okay, so get these basic things which are required before we start the class, because once what happens after we start the class and this test and all these things will be going on, and if you are joining in between and you do not know, and when you follow the videos, I'll be marking the videos according to class numbers. So this is first one was orientation class 1. This is basically 2, 3, 4, 5. In that way it will be marked irrespective of the subject. Okay, so subject will also be there and your video number will also be there. So according to video number, in that sequence you should study. Initial videos, if you have the time, you can go through. Many of those videos are only what you can say relevant for Odisha Civil Service. But from the orientation video, okay, this is basically for the open batches for both your UPSC and also for the state PSCs, right? Okay, so we'll meet on October 1. Thank you. Best wishes to all of you.